Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to continue our current affairs 1700 plus series in which we are going to complete and we are completing the current affairs from the month of November 2024 to October 2025. Now already 8 lectures have been uploaded on the channel. You can go to the description of this video to watch those lectures first जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 895 तक कंप्लीट किया है. So let us start our today's lecture, and in addition to the questions I'll also provide you the static information which will help you to understand these concepts in a best possible manner. So let us start this lecture now. This is our first question. Consider the following statements about the North India Green Hydrogen Plant. First statement is it was inaugurated in Himachal Pradesh. Second is the location was at Dabhota. And third is it is India's first green hydrogen plant. Now, if I talk about the correct answer, only the first and second statement here are true because it is not India's first green hydrogen plant, but नॉर्थ इंडिया का फर्स्ट ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन प्लांट है. ठीक है. नाउ इंडिया का फर्स्ट ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन प्लांट इज इन असम and it was made by Oil India. Okay. Now, talking about this green hydrogen. So, green hydrogen is the hydrogen that is produced through zero greenhouse gas emissions. Okay. Now, Government of India has also launched a project named the Green Hydrogen Mission. Okay. This project was launched in the year 2023, and the aim of this green hydrogen mission is to produce 5 MMT of green hydrogen by 2030. Okay. So यहाँ पे only the first and second is true. Let's now move to the next question. Now this question is, consider the following statements about the RBI's cyber security initiative. First is the RBI has launched 2 separate internet domains, that is bank.in and fin.in. Second is the initiative aims to strengthen the cyber security in the financial sector. And the third is it was launched in collaboration with ICANN. So the third statement here is incorrect because this cyber security initiative, it has been solely launched by the RBI. So only the first and second statement here are true. Now RBI is an important chapter in the Indian economy. So RBI, it was established in the year 1949 में RBI nationalize हुआ था, and it derives its power through the 1934 RBI Act. Okay. Now RBI का काम क्या है? What is the work of the RBI? It manages the foreign exchange. It controls the inflation in the market through the monetary policy committee. अब monetary policy committee में you need to know that 6 members होते हैं, and the chairman of the monetary policy committee is the governor of RBI. Okay. RBI also releases the reports, that is the financial stability report. It is released by the RBI. In addition to that, RBI is the banker to government and it is the banker to the bank as well. ठीक है. So ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपको आरबीआई के बारे में पता होने चाहिए. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर 1 and 2 here is correct. ठीक है. आई होप कि आपको समझ में आया होगा and you are able to link the static portion with the GK with the current affairs that I am telling you. Next question देखते हैं. Consider the following statement about the global lead green building rankings of 2024. Now, this global lead green buildings means LEED stands for leadership in energy and environmental design. Okay. Now, India ranked 3rd globally. Absolutely correct है. Next is the ranking was released by the Green Building Council. This is also right. And China has topped the list. So तीनों statement हमारे correct हैं. LEED का full form भी I have told you. So you can also keep that in mind. Next is, consider the following statement about the World Book Fair. First is it was organized in New Delhi. Second is the theme was Republic at 75. And the third statement is it was jointly organized by the NBT and UNESCO. So the third statement is incorrect only the first and second year is true, so 1 and 2 will be correct. अभी मैं अगर रिपब्लिक की बात करूं, सो रिपब्लिक से यू नीड टू नो अबाउट रिपब्लिक डे. नाउ रिपब्लिक डे से आपको क्या करंट अफेयर्स में यू नीड टू नो that the chief guest in the 2025 Republic Day celebration, he was the president of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto. Okay, in the 2026 Republic Day, the chair or the chief guest is the यूरोपियन यूनियन मेंबर्स. ओके, सो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको बता दिए एडिशनली. इसके अलावा यू नीड टू नो अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे. व्हेन इज दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड? सो 28 नवंबर को द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. हु वॉज ऑनर्ड in the electronic media category for voters awareness during the Lok Sabha election 2024. So this Doordarshan was awarded. Now Lok Sabha elections जो थे 2024 के, you need to know that they were the 18th Lok Sabha elections. and ये क्वेश्चन भी आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हाउ मेनी वुमेन एमपीज वेयर इलेक्टेड. सो 74 वुमेन एमपीज वेयर इलेक्टेड. नाउ अगर मैं आपको पॉलिटी रिवाइज कराऊं तो पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर्स कौन कौन होते हैं, मतलब व्हाट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स द पार्लियामेंट. सो प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा, ये तीनों को मिला के ऑल दीज थ्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स द पार्लियामेंट. ओके, नाउ लोकसभा की मैं बात करूं तो लोकसभा इज द हाउस ऑफ पीपल. ठीक है, सो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज राज्यसभा कॉल्ड, ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. ठीक है, ये नंबर ऑफ एमपीज याद रखना, 74 वुमेन एमपीज वेयर इलेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. हु वॉज सेलेक्टेड एज द आईसीसी मेंस T20 क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर 2024 ऑन January 25, 2025. सो आईसीसी अवार्ड्स पे ये क्वेश्चन है. T20 क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर वॉज अर्शदीप सिंह. आईसीसी अवार्ड्स को देख लेते हैं एक बार 2024 में जो रिलीज हुए थे. नाउ मेंस क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर वॉज जसप्रीत बुमराह. वुमेन्स क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर वॉज अमीलिया कर. टेस्ट चैंपियन मतलब द बेस्ट टेस्ट बॉलर और द टेस्ट के लिए अवार्ड वॉज गिवन टू बुमराह. एंड इमर्जिंग प्लेयर में कमिंदू मेंडिस वॉज गिवन द अवार्ड एंड ही इज अ प्लेयर ऑफ द श्रीलंकन क्रिकेट टीम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज which famous Indian sculptor passed away on 25th January 2025? So Latika Kath is the correct answer. Next is President Prabowo Subianto attended India's Republic Day celebrations as the chief guest. He is the president of which country? So मैंने बताया था आपको Prabowo Subianto, he belongs to Indonesia. Now यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस को भी देख लेते हैं. मलेशिया के प्रेसिडेंट है अनवर इब्राहिम. फिलीपींस का प्रेसिडेंट हैं बोंग बोंग मार्कोस. एंड वियतनाम के प्रेसिडेंट है लुओंग कुओंग. ठीक है, नाउ न्यूजीलैंड के प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज क्रिस्टोफर लक्सन. ठीक है, कियर स्टारमर यूके. ओके, सो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया. नेक्स्ट इज विच पाकिस्तानी सिटीजन वॉज अवॉर्डेड द जीवन रक्षक अवार्ड फॉर ब्रेवरी ड्यूरिंग द हज 2024. सो आशिफ बशीर वॉज गिवन दिस अवार्ड. नेक्स्ट इज विच टू इंडियन सिटीज वेर इंक्लूडेड इन द ग्लोबल लिस्ट ऑफ वेटलैंड सिटीज. सो दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. वेटलैंड सिटीज डेजिग्नेट किया गया था इंदौर एंड उदयपुर को. Now you need to know here about the Ramsar Convention. Now this Ramsar Convention, it was signed in the year 1971 and this is related to wetlands. Now अगर मैं बात करूं 1971 में रामसर कन्वेंशन साइन हुआ था. So what actually is a Ramsar? So Ramsar is a town in Iran. ठीक है, ईरान का एक टाउन है रामसर. In addition to that, highest number of Ramsar sites in India is in Tamil Nadu. and India को एज ऑफ नवंबर 2025 इंडिया के पास 94 रामसर साइट्स हैं. एंड ये जितने भी फैक्ट्स मैंने बताए हैं दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ सेबीज डिजिटल आर्चाइव लॉन्च्ड ऑन January 26. सो धरोहर इज द नेम ऑफ द आर्चाइव. इन एडिशन टू दैट सेबी इट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन द ईयर 1992. 1992 में एक्चुअली स्टैट्यूटरी स्टेटस मिला था सेबी को, बट इट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन द ईयर 1988. नाउ जितने भी स्टॉक एंड इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं, द सेबी हैज़ द टारगेट एंड द सेबी हैज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक होल्डर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Who won the first Women's Hockey India League title on January 26th? So Odisha Warriors ने ये टाइटल, फर्स्ट वुमेन हॉकी इंडिया का टाइटल, दे हैव वॉन. नाउ वुमेन्स हॉकी से रिलेटेड यू नीड टू नो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट, दैट इज एशियन चैंपियनशिप वुमेन्स 2024. नाउ दिस वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन राजगीर बिहार एंड इंडिया हैज वॉन दिस. ठीक है, इंडिया हैज डिफीटेड चाइना. चाइना एंड इंडिया के बीच में फाइनल्स था एंड इंडिया वॉन this Asian Women's Hockey Championship by defeating China. So what was the mascot of this? Mascot भी आप जान लो. So गुड़िया was the mascot. Okay. Next देखते हैं. Who won the men's and women's single titles at the 86th Senior National Table Tennis Championship? So this is Manush Shah and Diya Chitale. Next is, who won the men's and the women's single title at the Australian Open? So Jannik Sinner and Madison Keys. Now this was about the Australian Open. यहीं पे हम ग्रैंड स्लैम्स को यहाँ पे रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. Now if I talk about this French Open, Carlos Alcaraz won in the men's category, whereas Coco Gauff women's category में they won the French Open of 2025. Wimbledon 2025 was also won by Jannik Sinner. So आपको अब ये रिवीजन हो जाना चाहिए इजिली. Jannik Sinner has won the Wimbledon as well as the Australian Open 2025. Next is, which state tableau won the best award at the Republic Day Parade 2025? So this was Uttar Pradesh. Mahakumbh was represented in this tableau, which meant Swarnim Bharat, Virasat और विकास. 2025 chief guest was Indonesia, Rubiavo Subianto, and EU के designatories in 2026 will be the chief guest of the Republic Day. Next is, which IIT launched the Agri Hub for Agricultural Technology Excellence? Now this is IIT Indore. Now IITs में IIT Madras is of prime importance because NIRF ranking में first rank has been secured by IIT Madras in the college category. यूनिवर्सिटी की मैं बात करूं, फर्स्ट रैंकिंग यूनिवर्सिटी इज नन अदर देन IISc बेंगलोर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. विच स्टेट बिकेम द फर्स्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट द UCC? नाउ उत्तराखंड has become the first state to implement the UCC. Also UCC की मैं बात करूं, it is mentioned under Article 44 of the Constitution, which is a directive principle of state policy. ठीक है. Next is, who was selected as the ICC Women's One Day Cricketer of the Year? So Smriti Mandhana is the correct answer. Next is, which country won the ICC Women's Championship for the third consecutive time? Australia has won it. अगर मैं बात करूं ICC, एक सेकेंड, ICC टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप की, so this was won by South Africa and they defeated Australia. ठीक है, so Australia lost and South Africa won. Who surpassed MS Dhoni to become the highest run scoring Indian wicketkeeper in T20 cricket? So this is Dinesh Karthik. Next is, which region topped the first stage of Khelo India Winter Games 2025 held in Leh? So Ladakh has topped this. Okay, next है हमारा, which fintech platform launched the beta version of digital currency Easy Wallet in partnership with RBI? So Cred has won this. ठीक है, इसके अलावा फर्स्ट ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट कौन सी है टू रिसीव अ बैंकिंग लाइसेंस? फर्स्ट ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट टू रिसीव अ बैंकिंग लाइसेंस इज फ्लिपकार्ट. ओके, दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए जो मैंने यहाँ बताया आपको. नेक्स्ट है, हु वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज द DG ऑफ द ब्यूरो ऑफ सिविल एविएशन सिक्योरिटी? Now this is Rajesh Nirvana. Okay. Now सेबी के चीफ कौन है, चेयरमैन कौन है? दिस इज तुहीन कांत पांडे. ठीक है. आरबीआई के कौन है, ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. नेक्स्ट इज पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी अटेंडेड द महाकुंभ अभिषेकम सेरेमनी ऑफ श्री सनातन धर्म अल्लया मुरुगन टेम्पल इन विच सिटी ऑफ इंडोनेशिया? दिस कैन बी एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, करेक्ट आंसर इज जकार्ता. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Consider the following statement about Jeevan Rakshak Award 2025. Now it was awarded to Pakistani citizen named Asif Bashir. Correct है. He was honored for bravery during the Hajj 2024. Absolutely correct. ठीक है. Next is the award is given annually by the Ministry of Defense. So Ministry of Defense has nothing to do with it. Government of India release करती है. So 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. Next is consider the following statement about the SEBI's Dharohar Archive. It was launched on 26 January. This is correct. It showcases more than 150 years of India's security market history. Absolutely correct. And it is available only in physical format at SEBI headquarters. No, physical नहीं, digital format में primarily ये है. So third will be wrong. First and second will be correct. Next is consider the following statement about the 86th National Table Tennis Championship. It was held in Surat. Correct है. Manusha won the men's single title. Absolutely correct. And Diya Chitale won the women's single title. This is also correct. So D will be the correct answer to the question. Next is consider the following statement about Australian Open. यहीं पे सारा कुछ हमारा रिवाइज हो जाएगा. Jannik Sinner won the men's single title. Correct. And Jannik Sinner also won the Wimbledon 25. Okay. Now Madison Keys won the women's single. Correct. And both finals were held in Melbourne. So Australian Open है Melbourne में held हुआ था. D will be correct. Next is correct statement about the UCC. Uttarakhand became first state in independent India to implement UCC. Correct है. The law was passed on 27 January. Correct. Goa had a form of UCC even before independence. Absolutely. Portuguese जब थे वो यहाँ पे UCC in some format UCC वहाँ पे पोर्तुगीज के हिसाब से पहले से implemented था. ठीक है. So all the above statements here are correct. Next is consider the following statement about the ICC awards. Smriti Mandhana named the Women's One Day Cricketer of the Year. Correct है. Jasprit Bumrah ICC Cricketer of the Year. Absolutely correct. Maddie Green won the Women's Cricketer of the Year. No, this was Emily Kerr. ठीक है. So only 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. Next है consider the following statement about the National Important Minerals Mission. It was approved by the Union Cabinet on June 29. Correct है. The mission has an expenditure of 34,000 crore over 7 years. This is also right. And it focuses on critical minerals like lithium, cobalt and rare earth. Absolutely correct. Now critical minerals की मैं बात करूं तो the Indian government has designated 30 minerals as critical. Okay. सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स को लिस्ट करने वाला यूएसए है. ठीक है. यूएसए हैज क्लासिफाइड ओवर 60. सो दिस यू ऑल्सो नीड टू नो. एंड अगर मैं रेयर अर्थ की बात करूं सो देयर आर बेसिकली 17 रेयर अर्थ मिनरल्स जिसमें कि लार्जेस्ट क्वांटिटी इज देयर विथ चाइना. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट इसरोज NVS-02 satellite. Now it was launched on January 29, 2025. Correct है. It was carried by a GSLV F-15 rocket. Absolutely correct. And it is a part of India's navigation satellite series. So as the name suggests, NVS stands for navigation satellite. So all of the above will be the correct answer. Next is Consider the following statements about Sunita Williams' spacewalk record. She set the record for the longest spacewalk by a woman. The total duration was 62 hours and the record was made during her mission aboard the ISS. So all the statement that are given here is absolutely correct. D हमारा correct answer होगा. Next is consider the following statement about the Tropics 2025. It is India's Navy's largest biennial maritime exercise. Correct है. 2025 edition began in the Indian Ocean. Absolutely correct. And Tropics involves only Indian Navy without participation of Air Force. Now, Tropics तीनों services की exercise है. That is Navy. ठीक है. Navy, Air Force and Army. So third is incorrect. 1 and 2 is correct. Next is who was appointed as the chairman of the 9-member Athletes Commission of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is Anju Bobby George. Where did PM Narendra Modi lay the foundation of India's first green hydrogen hub? This is Udimadaka in Vishakhapatnam, and this is important. Next is which region of India was listed by IUCN as a major hotspot for fresh body diversity? This is Western Ghats, and Western Ghats में 6 states आते हैं. ओके, इन states के नाम आप मुझे comment section में बताना. ओके. Next is which senior journalist, filmmaker, poet and former Rajya Sabha member died on 8th January 2025? This is Pritish Nandi. Which day was celebrated on January 8th? This is the Earth Rotation Day. Next है what was the theme of the Rural India Festival 2025 organized in New Delhi? So this was building a resilient rural India for developed India 2047. Next है Mazgaon dock handed over the 6 Scorpion class submarine Vagashir to the Navy. Which were the 5 others? So other 5 का name यहाँ पे कालवरी, खंडेरी, करंज, वेला और वगीर है, and this is important. Next is PM Modi flagged off a tourist train for NRIs on Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas. What was its name? So the name was Pravasiya Bharatiya Express. World Bank approved $35 million for the M-Power project of which state? So ये मेघालय का state है. Meghalaya is the correct answer. According to the UN's Economic Situation and Prospects report, India's economy will grow at a rate of 6.6%. Next is which Kerala beaches received the blue flag certification? So ये है Kappad of Kozhikode and Chal of Kannur. Next is who was elected as the new president of Lebanon? So this is Joseph Aoun. The theme of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated on 9th Jan is contribution of NRIs in the developed India. Next is where was the 18th Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas Conference 2025 organized? So ये भुवनेश्वर में organize हुई थी. ठीक है, सी भुवनेश्वर. What was India's rank in the Henley's Passport Index 2025? 85th rank है, and this is important. Next is UP CM Yogi Adityanath launched the FM channel for Mahakumbh 2025. What was it called? It was called Kumbhavani. Next is how many people including Trinidad and Tobago President Christina Kangalu received the Pravasiya Bharatiya Samman Award? So a total of 27 people received this award. Next है where will South India's first infectious disease research and diagnostic laboratory to be set up? So ये Bengaluru BMC में it is going to be established. Which state received the highest tax transfer from central government? This is Uttar Pradesh. Next है with which theme was the World Hindi Day celebrated? So this was Hindi Unity and Cultural Pride Global Voices. Next is consider the following statement about the Athletics Federation of India's Athletics Commission. First one is Anju Bobby George was appointed as its chairperson. Correct है. It is a 9-member body. Absolutely correct. Now this commission functions under the Sports Authority of India. No. This works under the Athletics Federation of India, not the Sports Authority. So third incorrect है. First and second is correct. Consider the following statement about the Green Hydrogen Hub. India's first hub foundation was laid at Pudimadaka, Visakhapatnam. Correct. Inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. This is also correct. Third is developed by NTPC. No. It is not developed by NTPC. So first and second only is true. Consider the following statement about the Scorpion class submarine Vagasheet. First is it was the 6th submarine delivery under Project 75. Correct है. Built by the Mazgaon Dock shipbuilders. Correct. And the first submarine of this class was INS Vela. No, the first submarine was INS Kalvari. So third incorrect है. First and second हमारा correct होगा यहाँ पे. Next is consider the following statement about the Henley's Passport Index. इंडिया का रैंक 85th है. Singapore topped the index and the index is published by the World Bank. No, this is published by Henley's. ठीक है. Third incorrect है. First and second here is true. Consider the following statement about the Pravasiya Bharatiya Samman Award conferred by President Draupadi Murmu. Correct. Total of 27 people were honored. This is also correct. Among them was the President of Trinidad and Tobago. This is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 सारे statement यहाँ पे correct हैं. D will be the correct answer. Next is consider the following statement about India's renewable energy capacity additions in 2024. India added 30 gigawatt of renewable capacity. Absolutely correct है. Next is this was 113% higher than the 13.75 gigawatt. This is also added correct. And India became the world's second largest renewable energy producer. No, India is not second but India is third. First की मैं बात करूं USA है. Second की बात करूं so second पे China है. India is at the third position. So 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. Next is consider the following statements about the space docking experiment. India became the 4th country to conduct it successfully. Correct. Conducted on January 12th. This is also correct. And the experiment was carried out by ISRO in collaboration with NASA. No, this was an ISRO only mission. NASA इस mission में नहीं था. So third statement को eliminate करेंगे. 1 and 2 will be correct. Next is consider the following statement about the Surya Kiran exercise. It was the 18th edition of the joint exercise between India and Nepal. Correct है. It was held at Saljhandi, Nepal. Absolutely correct. Third, it was a naval exercise. नहीं. Surya Kiran is related to army. अब Nepal is a landlocked country. ठीक है. We all know that. अब ये landlocked country है तो वहाँ पे फिर नेवल एक्सरसाइज कैसे होगी. आर्मी की एक्सरसाइज है. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द सोनमर्ग दैट इज जी मोड टनल इनॉग्रेटेड बाय पीएम मोदी ऑन 13 जनवरी. करेक्ट है. लोकेटेड ऑन द श्रीनगर लेह नेशनल हाईवे. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. इंडियाज लॉन्गेस्ट रोड टनल है ये. नो, द लॉन्गेस्ट रोड टनल इज अटल टनल and this is in Himachal Pradesh. So third eliminate. 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. Consider the following statement about the mission Moisam. It was launched on 14th January. Launched on the 150th foundation day of IMD, that is Indian Meteorological Department. ये भी correct है. And the mission focuses on the Indian maritime cultural heritage. No, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू वेदर, नॉट कल्चर। थर्ड को हम एलिमिनेट कर देंगे। नेक्स्ट इज हु वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज द CEO ऑफ DBS बैंक बाई RBI? सो दिस इज रजत वर्मा। Which public sector company was awarded the certificate of Great Place to Work for the second consecutive time? This is Steel Authority of India. West Bengal defeated which team to win the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship? केरला को defeat किया था। Next is which state became the first in India to adopt the green GDP model? Chhattisgarh. Important question है, you need to know this. Next is country's first sea glass bridge inaugurated in Kanyakumari. In which city will a law to register FIR against those who give arms will be implemented? ये इंदौर में है, implement हुआ recently. Next is which 5 country began their 2-year terms at the temporary UNSC members? So this is Pakistan, Denmark, Greece, Panama and Somalia. Which country implemented a ban on covering the face in public places? This is Switzerland. According to the media reports, which country was in the grip of the human metapneumovirus? So China is the correct answer. Next is what is the objective of the One Nation One Subscription scheme? So the objective is to provide access to academics, research and scientific content. Who took over as the CEO of UIDAI? Bhuvnesh Kumar is correct. Who was appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? This is Manish Singhal. Where was the first child generation beta born in India? So this was in Aizawl, Mizoram. ये important question हो सकता है. Next is which two players were jointly declared the winners of FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025 held in New York? This was Magnus Carlsen of Norway and Ian of Russia. Which famous Padma Shri awardee botanist died in Thrissur? This was K.S. Manilal. According to the UNFCCC BUR4 report, India's GDP emission intensity decreased by 36%. Next is who released the book Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh Through the Ages? So this was released by Amit Shah and Dharmendra Pradhan. Which Indian scientific institution celebrated the 67th Foundation Day? DRDO has celebrated this. Now, who was appointed as the Director General of DGCA? Faiz Ahmed Kidwai. Which two new deposit mobilization scheme were launched by SBI? So ये हर घर लखपति and SBI Sanrakshans are the name of the scheme. Consider the following statement about the green GDP model. Chhattisgarh became the first state, correct है. Adopted in December, correct है. The model integrates environmental cost into GDP calculation. This is also correct. All of the above यहाँ पे correct answer होगा. Correct statement about the One Nation One Subscription scheme. So it was launched on January 1st, 2025. Aims to provide access to academic research and scientific content. Correct है. Implemented by the Ministry of Education. Correct. All of the above are correct. FIDE World Blitz Championship of 2025 held in New York. Correct. Magnus Carlsen and Ian Nepomniachtchi were declared the joint winners. Absolutely correct. And it was the first time two players shared the title. This is also correct. So all of the above would be correct answer. Next is consider about the Kho World Cup. The trophy and the mascot were unveiled on January 3rd, 2025. The mascot names are Tejas and Tara. And the event is being Odisha, being hosted by Odisha. No, Odisha is not true. First and second only here is correct. Consider the following statement about the Presidential Medal of Freedom awarded on 4th January. Recipients include Hillary Clinton, Lionel Messi and George Soros. And it is the highest civilian honor of USA. So यहाँ पे all of the above is the correct answer. मैजेंटा लाइन ऑफ दिल्ली मेट्रो के ऊपर कौन से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हैं? दिस इज क्वेश्चन इज नॉट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ। ए 987 इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। इट वॉज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द मैया सम्मान योजना झारखंड launched by CM Hemant Soren. 1,415 crore was transferred to women beneficiaries. Total of 56.61 lakh women benefited. So all of the statement here are correct. ब्रिक्स एक्सपेंशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है। इंडोनेशिया बिकम द 11th फुल मेंबर, करेक्ट। ब्रिक्स वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 2009, करेक्ट। हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज इन शंघाई, चाइना। ऑल ऑफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट हियर आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। पार्ट स्कीम ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताने हैं। लॉन्च्ड बाय सीएम मोहन यादव, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। प्रोवाइड्स फ्री ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम आर्मी, पुलिस एंड पैरामिलिट्री, करेक्ट। इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस, नो, दिस इज अ स्टेट रिलेटेड स्कीम। सो यहाँ पे थर्ड स्टेटमेंट एलिमिनेट करेंगे, 1 and 2 विल बी करेक्ट। अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन फॉरेस्ट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट, how many kilometers square has the forest and the tree area increased in the country? 1445 kilometers. The Indian Navy added 2 ultra-modern warships to its fleets. The names are INS Surat and INS Nilgiri. Nitin Gadkari unveiled India's first biobitumen-based road on which national highway? So NH44 पे unveil किया गया है। 55th GST Council meeting was held in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Next, which state government announced Dr. B.M. Ambedkar Scholarship Scheme for Dalit student admission to foreign universities? So, Delhi government has launched this. Who was appointed as the president of the UN Internal Justice Council? This is Justice Madan B. Lokot. Which country entrusted India with hosting the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? This was India. What was the theme of First World Meditation Day celebrated on December 21st? So this was Inner Peace, Global Harmony. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with its highest honor, the Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir? Kuwait is the correct answer. Next, which award was conferred on External Minister S. Jaishankar by SIES? So this was Shri Chandrasekhara Saraswati, National Excellence Award. Where was the first Yatri Udan Cafe started? So it was started in Kolkata Airport, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Who was appointed as a senior policy advisor for US Artificial Intelligence? This is Sri Ram Krishnan. India defeated which country to win the first Under-19 Women's Asia Cup 2024 title? This was Bangladesh. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day? This is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Which IIT announced the development of a new drug for liver fibrosis and cirrhosis? IIT Kanpur. This can be an important question. ठीक है। Next है, where was India's first digital museum dedicated to Jainism? Abhay Prabhavan opened. It was opened in Pune. Next is, which state was recognized by Wall Street Journal among the popular global destinations for 2025? This was Madhya Pradesh, and this is also an important question. Next, which famous film director passed away in Mumbai recently? Shyam Benegal. Next is, UNICEF partnered with which company to improve the rural education? BMW. Which 17-year-old student from Mumbai became the youngest woman to climb highest peaks of all continents? This is Kamya Karthikeyan. So we have completed 100 plus questions. So इसके अलावा 2 more videos will come in this series and इसके बाद ये series ख़त्म हो जाएगी. So अगर आप वीडियो को अभी तक आपने देखा है, so make sure to like this video. You can subscribe to the channel if you are liking the content, and if you want the PDF of this video, description से आप पूरी 1700 questions की PDF आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. So thank you for watching this video and keep studying.